So here I am in Anaheim, California, just arrived in my new hotel. Today I'm gonna hop down to Disneyland, and I do apologize in advance for the rest of today's vlog being lower quality. It will be filmed on my Google Pixel, so good chance to see the quality there. They don't seem to like you taking big cameras with huge microphones into Disney, but I did get a nice cup of tea, and look at how cute this mug is. Look at how cute that is. That's very, very cute, isn't it? So the rest of today's vlog filmed on a mobile phone. This is the view from my window. West Catella Avenue in Anaheim, Los Angeles, California. Let's get the day started. So this is me shooting video on my Google Pixel phone. I hope it's good. It's got some nice stabilization, and I am in the most magical part of Los Angeles, the city of Anaheim. 9, 8. They actually count you down as you cross the street here in Anaheim. Very helpful. All right, so I just crossed Disney security, and here I am at the California theme park. I'm actually going to Disney California Adventure today. This seems to be the heart of the action, Starbucks. I'm in downtown Disney right now. Things are already kicking into action, and have been actually since 7 a.m. when the special magical hours occurred. Halloween is in full swing here, and take a look at these pumpkins here. They're fancy.
Disney California Adventure.
First ride of the day. That big roller coaster behind me. It's gonna be fun.
3, 2, 1,
So the Fast Pass was a really, really good idea for Disney California Adventure. I'm getting on every ride really quickly. It is first thing in the morning though. And whew, it's an adrenaline rush here. I'm in Hollywood land, and next I'm about to go on. Here I am at the Grizzly River Rapids, and it looks like I'm about to get wet. Yeah, I got just a little bit wet. This ought to be really cool. I'm just about to go up in the Golden Zephyr and give you a nice view from the top. This is really cool. So I just ordered this drink. Amazing view. What an amazing view. Great day. I'm really glad I came to the Disney California Adventure Park. It's awesome. It's less busy than Disneyland, and the rides are amazing. So did I have fun at Disney California Adventure today? You bet. There we go, Disney California Adventure, that is my day, Vlogtober day 20, and in case you're wondering, I edited in Adobe Premiere Rush. Super smooth, super easy to use, and that is how you're getting the vlog today.